Hello everyone, this is Fatma with Addictive Tips, and it's another day, so another Windows 10 problem to solve. Today we're going to tackle a problem with driver updates on Windows 10. Specifically, we're looking at graphic driver updates. Often the graphics drivers will be updated and the new version may not work well. These are mostly generic drivers, so if you know for a fact that the newer one isn't going to work, you need to be able to block the driver update from installing. You can block graphics driver updates with third-party tools that are built specifically for blocking Windows 10 updates, but a better, more safer option is to use a troubleshooting tool from Microsoft. You can download it from the link in the description. The first thing you need to do is uninstall the problematic graphics driver. To uninstall the driver, open the Device Manager and expand Display Adapters. Right-click the graphics card that was updated and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to the Driver tab and select the Rollback option. Once you've done that, Windows 10 is going to try to install the driver again. This is when you run the troubleshooting tool. Run the tool and click the Next button on the Start screen. Next, select the Hide Updates option. The tool will search for and list all the available updates, and one of them ought to be the driver update that Windows 10 keeps installing. Select it and click Next. The update will be hidden and Windows 10 will be able to download and subsequently install it. If you ever need to unhide the updates, you can run the same tool again, but this time click the Show Hidden Updates option. It will show you a list of hidden updates and you can choose which ones you want to unhide. We should also mention that a lot of GPU manufacturers install their own apps on your system. For example, both NVIDIA and AMD have dedicated apps that can download and install drivers. It's possible that these apps are updating the driver and it's not Windows 10. If the troubleshooting utility fails to find any graphics drivers after you roll one back, check the permissions your GPU's application has. If auto updates are enabled, disable them. Lastly, if your GPU has begun to cause problems after a major Windows 10 update, check forums and other online help portals, particularly any forums hosted by the manufacturer of your GPU, for known bugs and available solutions. That's about it. See you again later with more problems and more fixes for them.